stretches over right till there in the middle of the Indian Ocean. It's so windy out here and the dark clouds behind me are hovering. And if you take a ship and travel for some hours, you are going to reach Sri Lanka. You know what, guys? The room in which I am staying here in Kanyakumari, the view from outside the window is amazing. I mean, breathtaking views. Wanna see? Just come. Look at this, guys. I'm opening the window and the mighty Indian Ocean is right in front of my eyes. Look at this, the wave hitting the shores, the Vivekananda Rock Memorial over there, the Thiruvalur statue standing right there in the middle of the Indian Ocean, cloudy skies. Wow, guys. I mean, if you tell me to stay here for 365 days, I'll be happily staying here forever. So guys, yesterday I had traveled to that Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial just right behind me there in the middle of the Indian Ocean, and I gave you a glimpse of that Thiruvalur statue, but we could not go due to some renovation work. But today I'm planning to go somewhere else. So if I turn my camera on this side, so you can see right behind me, there is a pyre of stones and it stretches over right till there in the middle of the Indian Ocean. So I'll try to go till there. The storm is again building up. I hope the rain stays away. Let's see if I can reach till there. Guys, it's so windy out here and the dark clouds behind me are hovering. The storm is building up. The waves are hitting these rocks, and look at this weather, guys. The scenery is so picturesque. I mean, I'm just loving this. And while coming from the seashore till this point, the end of Kanyakumari, see the challenge I had to overcome, these rocks over there. So I had come from that point, walked all the way through these rocks, and finally I am here at the end of India, in the middle of the Indian Ocean. And look at this behind me. The color of the sea is so mesmerizing, and if you take a ship and travel for some hours, you are going to reach Sri Lanka. So until then, the drizzle is getting heavier and I need to head back to my shows pretty soon. Otherwise, I'll be getting drenched out right here. And so this Kanyakumari railway station, it serves as the final stop on the Indian Railways network located at the southern tip of the subcontinent. Earlier its name was Cape Comorin Terminus. So later, even though the name was changed to Kanyakumari station,
The station code remains as Cape. And that's a wrap. See you in another vlog.